Sometimes it could take a lifetime to learn one thing. And that one thing is you cannot hold on to anything. So why stress out for? Why getting angry for? When you stress out, take a moment to return to yourself. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Knowing that everything will pass. Nothing remains the same and anything can change for the better. And when you get angry, take a moment to yourself and breathe. And ask yourself a question. What for? Why do I get angry for? Why do I truly stress myself out for? When knowing that everything is temporary, I have done my best. Whatever you want to do, give it the best you have. And whatever happened, that will be the result of your best effort. The moment you realize this is the moment you are fully returned to yourself. Love yourself and be yourself. Yes, Zen is this way. Being mindful is this way. Being mindful of everything that going on in this body and in this state of mind so you can solve your own problem and issue. Because you are here to solve your problem and issues, nobody else will solve it for you, and you are not here to solve anybody else's problem. So however you convey your own message, you build your own career, you build your own journey, this is telling you who you are from within. Because when you feel the insight within you, the joy and the happiness within you, then guess what? Your life will be beautiful. And it will be amazing because everything you face, it will be an opportunity for you to improve, to grow, and to make things better as you go. The journey is yours. The path to awakening is right here and now. Be awakened from your own ignorance, from your own craving, and from your own anger. That is the best you can do for yourself. And let it be the best because you are the best it can be. Everything is right within you. Your love, your compassion, that deep empathy for yourself so that you can change yourself for the better. Letting go of your old habit and start new great habit for yourself. That's right. Be the witness of your own state of mind, of your own feeling, and of your own body. And this is how you awaken from your state of illusion, state of imagination. I hope everybody have a wonderful day, everybody. Return to yourself, love yourself, and be yourself. Smile and keep it fresh. Buddha love you and so do I.